Middle East Peace Websites and Organizations. Chapter 1. Middle East Peace Websites. Middle East Peace Websites. B'Tselem.org, B'Tselem, Israeli Information Center for Human Rights in the Occupied Territories. elca.org/en/resources/peace-not-walls. forusa.org/program/ipb/default.html, Israel/Palestine program. Greenwood.com, Blossoms on the Olive Tree, Israeli and Palestinian Women Working for Peace. interfaith-peaceinitiative.org. interfaithpeaceinitiative.com. islamdino-unc-terrorism.com. facebook.com/Muslim Peace Fellowship. jerusalempeacemakers.org. jstreet.org, J-Street, advocates a two-state solution to the conflict. mirtzusa.org, Merits USA, Progressive Zionist Peace and Civil Rights Group. mifta.org. nif.org, The New Israel Fund. nili-mideastpeace.org. okaopt.org, UN Human Affairs. openbethlehem.org. peacenow.org, Americans for Peace Now, partner of Israel's Peace Now group. roadtopeace.org. seekpeace.org, Union of American Hebrew Congregations. shalomctr.org, Shalom Center. stoppedhewall.org. tikkun.org. Anti-Zionist Jewish websites. ijan.org, International Jewish Anti-Zionist Network, Jewish organization supporting the liberation of Palestine. twitter.com/ijan_network. endtheoccupation.org. stoppedhejnf.org. israelglobalrepression.wordpress.com. Judeo's anti-Zionistasaniespionia.blogspot.com. Chapter 2. Middle East Peace Organizations. Middle East Peace Organizations. Americans for Peace Now. peacenow.org. Applied Research Institute, Jerusalem, ARIJ. arij.org. B'Tselem.org. B'Tselem.org. Churches for Middle East Peace. CMEP.org. Coalition of Women for Peace, Who Profits. whoprofits.org/content/about-who-profits. End the Occupation. endtheoccupation.org. Friends of Sabeel/North America, Voices of Palestinians in the Holy Land. fosna.org. Gush Shalom. gush-shalom.org. Interfaith Peace Initiative. interfaithpeaceinitiative.com. It is apartheid. itisapartheid.org. J-Street. jstreet.org. Jewish Voice for Peace. jewishvoiceforpeace.org. Middle East Peace Now. mepn.org. Middle East Children's Alliance. mecafeorpeace.org. Mideast Coalition of Women for Peace. coalitionofwomen4peace.org. Jewish and Palestinian Women, Citizens of Israel. Muslim Peace Fellowship. Stony Point, New York. 845-786-5149. mpf21.wordpress.com. NILI, National Interreligious Leadership Initiative for Peace in the Middle East. nili-mideastpeace.org. One Peace Jerusalem. onepeacejerusalem.org. One Voice Movement. onevoicemovement.org. Palestine Monitor. thejerusalemfund.org/ht/d/sp/i/223/pid/223. Palestinian Mothers. Archive of, palestinian.ning.com. Palestinian Initiative to Promote Dialogue and Democracy. mifta.org. Links to Palestinian organizations. Palestinian-Israeli Friendship Center. win-peace.org. Peace Not Walls. elca.org/r-work/publicly-engaged-church/peace-not-walls. Shalom Center. shalomctr.org. The Shalom Center, founded in 1983, brings Jewish spirituality, tradition, and experience to bear on issues of tikkun olam, pursuing peace, seeking justice, healing the earth, and building community. Stop the Wall. StopTheWall.org. Sulha Peace Project. metazulha.org/sulha/advisory_partners.hdm. Sulha is an indigenous, Middle Eastern way of reconciliation. Two peoples, one future, Committee for a Just Peace in Israel and Palestine. twopeoplesownfuture.org. UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs, Occupied Palestinian Territory. okaopt.org. Jewish Peace Groups. JewishVoiceForPeace.org. AJWS.org, American Jewish World Service, AJWS. JDC.org, American Jewish Joint Distribution Committee, AJDC. JewishPeaceFellowship.org, Jewish Peace Fellowship. AJWS.org, Jewish Involvement in Nonsectarian Humanitarian Work. Greenwood.com, Blossoms on the Olive Tree, Israeli and Palestinian Women Working for Peace. PeaceNow.org.il, Peace Now. PeaceNow.org, Americans for Peace Now. ArabHRA.org, Arab Association for Human Rights, Israel. ASSOC40.org, Association of 40. BatShalom.org, Bat Shalom homepage. GUSH-SHALOM.org, Gush Shalom Israel Palestine Peace Bloc. Jewish Peace Fellowship. NIAC. 206-723-2394. JewishPeaceFellowship.org, Jewish Peace Fellowship in Nyack, New York, affiliated with Fellowship of Reconciliation. Shomer Shalom Network for Jewish Nonviolence. homershalom@gmail.com. shomershalom.org. theshalomcenter.org. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. 215-844-8494. Palestinian Initiative to Promote Dialogue and Democracy. MIFTA.org. Links to Palestinian organizations. Palestinian-Israeli Friendship Center. win-peace.org. Shalom Center. shalomctr.org. The Shalom Center, founded in 1983, brings Jewish spirituality, tradition, and experience to bear on issues of tikkun olam, pursuing peace, seeking justice, healing the earth, and building community. Sulha Peace Project. metazulha.org/sulha/advisory_partners.hdm. Sulha is an indigenous, Middle Eastern way of reconciliation.